As we're building more and more factories in the United States, we do need to have those tools available for the STEM education, the students, to be able to experience what semiconductor manufacturing is and see the beauty of this complexity and how engineering marvel it is. So we really would like to create metaverse for them to come in and work for us. Another very important aspect, these are exciting, great technologies. And there is nothing that stops us to do all these. But we really need to think about positive sum automation. We want to create value together, and that value needs to be created throughout measuring the success, the team, the machines, the process, the systems. We really need to look at holistically. If we look at holistically from the digital twin perspective point of view, we need to look at it from the automation perspective point of view.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about this topic, check out the links in the description. And if you enjoyed what you saw, like the video and subscribe to the channel.